Hey, this is Derek with Aquanut Pool Care, and I am going to show you how to program a Pentair Superflo VS pump from brand new install. First thing that you want to do is hit this display button and hold it, and it's going to go to 12 hours, and then it's going to go to clock, and you are just going to go right down to whatever time it is. It's 5:09. Alright, 5:10 p.m. Screen 100% brightness. Then to program your speeds, you want to hit number 1. It's going to say 3,000 RPMs. I like to crank the first speed down to about 1,500 RPMs. It's a little bit bigger pool. Let's do 1,600 RPMs. You press the number 1 button again, it will give you the time. This is the only one of these buttons that will give you a time. I'm going to start this at 7 a.m. and then duration 2 hours. I'm going to run this for 8 hours. And then I'm going to hit speed number 2. Speed number 2, since I put this to come on in the afternoon, I'm going to ramp it up higher. Going to do about 2,200 RPMs for this pool. 2,250, it's fine. Duration, I don't want 10 hours, I just want about 5 hours. And then number 3, it comes from the factory at 2,200 RPMs. Number 3, this one's going to run through the night because of the way I have it. So I'm going to run it at the very slowest speed. Well, the slowest speed that I'm going to have it run on. I'm not going to crank it all the way down, but let's do 1,100 RPMs just so that we get the proper turnover and duration. We're going to crank it up to the max, and it will stop once these 3 equal 24 hours. So once setting number 1, 2, and 3 equal 24 hours, it will stop right there. Now your quick clean button right here, that is going to be on your fastest speed. I like to turn that down to 3,000 RPMs. Your situation will be different. Set your pump for what you need, and then the time will be 2 hours, and that is an egg timer. I'm not going to mess with that. All you have to do now is hit the stop start button, and it will go into a priming mode. I'm going to crank my priming down to about 3,000 RPMs. It will be in priming mode for 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes, it will go into the schedule that it is set for, in this case, number 2. That is how you program a Pentair Superflo VS. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you've liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see an unboxing of this pump, click right over here for my friend Swimming Pool Steve's unboxing video. Thanks for watching.